Hello everyone, we are Team NUSphere and there are 3 pain points that our project is trying to tackle. The first one is the inefficiency of sending screenshots of NUS mods timetable back and forth again and again when you are trying to plan your timetable with friends. The second pain point is the lack of ways and platform to swap tutorials with someone else when you get an undesirable tutorial slot. And the third one is the lack of centralized resources platform for people to discuss and share resources about a specific modules. And all these pain points can be tackled by NUSphere. Alright, now I'm going to demo our NUSphere website. So the first thing is you have to get an account with us, and I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. So after you log in, you will see a timetable page, which is very similar to NUS mods. So over here, you can see a typical CS student's timetable with 32 units. So if you find it not enough, you can just search the modules that you want to enroll in and just click the add button. And yeah, it will be enrolled. So if you realize it is a bit too much, 36 units, you can just remove from here and it will disappear, right? So if you want to change the tutorial slots, similarly, you just click it and just swap to the alternative slots and it will be updated. So imagine right now you want to collaborate with your friends to plan timetable. You just click over here, room, and you can just create a room and you will be entered the room sessions. So you just send this code to your friends. So over here, I open another tab to simulate having a friend. So another typical CS students with 28 units. So over room session, my friend will just enter the room key to join the room. And yeah, you can see both my friend and I is already in this room. So over here, I can click to see my friend's timetable schedules. And the brown one is mine. The blue one is my friend. Similarly, I can swap my timetable directly. Like so. So now let's go over to forum page. So under the forum page, for the post, you can see all the recent posts that is posted on NUSphere in different groups. And in groups, you can search for specific modules that you are interested in. So each modules will have a group for discussion. So over here, we offer a group discussion summaries, which will summarize all the posts under this CS1101S group. And also, when you click inside a specific post, we also have a post summary where you can type on something and discuss with your friend. Now let's go over to my posts and groups. So here you can see all the posts that you have posted and also all the groups owned by you. And you can create this create button to create your own group. Furthermore, in each group, there is also a resources page. In the resource page, you can find a lot of useful resources related to the group. For example, over here in CS1101, we have lecture notes, cheat sheet, and past year paper clusters. To open the resource, you can just click on and it will link it to the specific document. To contribute to the resource page, you can also add on your own resource. Last but not least, let me show you our swapping tutorial feature. So to begin with, you have to log in with your Telegram. So after you have logged in with your Telegram, you can search on the modules that you want to swap your tutorial. Let's say I want to swap my GA1000 tutorial. So right now, I've already used 2 other accounts to create a swap request from D1 to D2 and D2 to D3. So in order for this cycle to form, I need a class swap from D3 to D1. So right now, let's say I want to swap my D3 classes to D1, D8, and D13. So I'll create a swap request. So as expected, a match has been found. But in real life, it might take some time. That's why we ask you to sign in with your Telegram. So the Telegram bot will send you a notification that the pairing has been found. In order to proceed with this swap request, you can go back to NUSphere and click complete. So wait for the other 2 people to accept the swap. a swapping will be done. And after everyone have clicked the completed button, all the related swap requests will be deleted from our database. And finally, after you are satisfied with your timetable, you can export the timetable and import it to Apple Calendar or Google Calendar.